this one right here. There we go. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to do like kind of a room tour before we mess it up too much. So there's Jiminy Cricket on the back of the door. He's like the emergency evacuation guy on the photo. When you come in, there is a door here that is like an adjoining room, like if you had a joint reservation or something. So that's there with a full-length mirror. We have got the first bathroom here on the left is this one with the toilet. There's only one toilet but 2 bathrooms. This is really, really big. Like, I mean, I could do a cartwheel in here. Really nice shower curtain. I love the blues against the gray tiles, is really pretty. And then we've got the little mermaid artwork. And again, like, I love the colors, the turquoise. Sink, of course, we've got the H2O product. So it doesn't look like they have upgraded to the reusable ones that I know they're putting into some of the rooms. So we have the actual like bottles in here. And then there's 2 drawers in each bathroom. Big mirror. And then over here we've got the closet. Hung a couple things in here already. And in the closet we have an iron, we have the laundry basket, I'm not sure what that is, next to our pillows or something, I'm not sure. And then the safe is down here, and an ironing board, and like the baby crib thing, which we do not need. And then we have the little kitchenette here that every deluxe studio for DVC has, like a little kitchenette in it. And so it has a microwave. I don't think there's anything up here. Yeah, nothing up there, but we'll put some stuff up there when we get our groceries probably. And then in here we've got some coffee mugs, some glasses. It looks like we've got like paper plates and stuff, and then some plasticware, and then some more paper cups and paper towels up there. And then little can opener, and I guess that's kind of like a bottle opener, towel, soap to wash your dishes, a coffee maker, and a toaster. And then we've got some Twinings tea here, and then some coffee. We did bring our own coffee. Then we got a fridge here, so that will get filled with some stuff. Oh, it feels cold. Okay. Yeah, when I opened it on my feet, it felt cold. Okay. And then down here, we've got, looks like recycling. So that's cool. I don't think this opens, no.
Yeah, it doesn't close.
Well, and this doesn't open. I was just looking. Yeah, and then here's the second bathroom. It's okay. Yeah, it's all right.
I love that bathroom.
This bathroom's real nice too. I mean, there's no toilet in here, but big mirror. I kind of, yeah, like those colors are so nice. Again, we got all the H2O product. We got this mirror, and then I found the hair dryer is down underneath here. Yeah, hair dryer. 2 drawers again, same as the other one. Some little cabinets there, and then the shower. Really nice. What do they call these? Waterfall? I don't know. Shower heads. And then again, the blue with the gray tile is so pretty. Like nice rock work at the bottom. Can't wait to get in there. Hello. And then, okay. Here's the little pull-out bed.
Is there a light in there?
I think there is a little light that goes on.
So.
It's cute. Oh, there they are.
Doesn't that look like me and you?
That's
bigger.
cute. Yeah, it's bigger than I thought it was. I'm gonna lay down on it. Let me see if I fit.
Oh, you definitely fit. think I would be close.
Yeah.
Guess where she's gonna sleep
We got
tonight.
a giant TV, and then we've got
Bye.
Dan.
I'm just chilling, waiting for our luggage.
He's got his stuff plugged in underneath the.
Yeah, so there's 2 regular AC plugs, and then there's 2 USBs plugs. So,
Yeah.
lamp, phone. Oh, sure. Yeah, I got. Oh, that's for that above there. Okay.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
the
that
little track lighting up there.
Yeah, and then this should turn that off there. Yeah.
Cool. And we got another painting here,
Yeah, that's really peaceful. I like that.
like
the
sailboats,
bungalows.
little bungalows out there.
Pirate ships. And a tree about to fall over.
And then we've got the little table here with 2 chairs. We've got back here again, there's like a regular plug. I got my computer plugged in, and then 2 USBs. And a little tiki guy here. I like him. Big mirror. And then our couch, which is a pull-out. I think it's a second queen size
I think it is too.
bed that you can pull out.
So, I mean, what's that, 5 comfortably? Kid?
Yeah.
2 and 2.
And these fun like tiki birds.
Is that pull-out thing on wheels? I hope it is.
This thing?
Yeah.
No.
No? Okay. That's
So
fine. I was
this
wondering how
coffee
hard it would be
table
to move it.
thing has a lot of storage space in it for stuff. Oh, it closes gently too, like. Yeah, and then I'll take you out here. What is this? I was wondering what this is,
Yeah, I
though.
think it's just decoration.
It doesn't move. Okay. It's kind of cool, though.
Yeah,
But
nice.
here's our patio. Really big patio. Got 2 chairs. And then a table here. And then our view. So here's our view. And if I can zoom in, you can actually see Space Mountain right over there. Ah! You can see it. Let me see if I can set this down. Oh, no. Space Mountain, and then you can see those cranes there they're working on. I believe that's probably Tron. The Tron coaster. And there's some of the bungalows out there on the water. So we don't think we can see any fireworks from over here. The castle would be just over to the left a bit further. The other thing we can see from here too is the contemporary is over here. Right through there is the contemporary resort. So really nice room.